Good morning, good afternoon, good noon, good evening. Anong meron dyan? Morning ba? Hapon ba? Evening ba? Na maabutan ng YouTube channel. Nagluluto po ako ngayon ng here you are. Okay, I will just speak in English because my son told me to speak in English so that everybody will understand, even if I'm not that good. But I will try. I will strive hard for you to understand what I am saying. Okay, I am cooking these noodles. This is my first time to try this, the Thai noodles. But I am cooking in Filipino style. So I will be using these Filipino ingredients. I have here the pork. I've chosen the lean one and spices like this. The shrimps. I have here the vaname, and then the garlic, of course, onion, the bell peppers, the leeks, and the carrots. Okay, now let's start, guys. They're making the stairs. Today is January 27. Today, yeah. Today is January 27, and I will be cooking this. I will show you how I cook this. Okay, guys? Bear with me. I have these ingredients. Okay. In the pan. Of course. And the cooking oil. Just for the garlic and the other spices in order to stir fry those garlic and onions. Here we will be using the oil because I am using the lean meat. So first I have to place the garlic. Okay, instead of stir frying first the pork belly, but I don't use anymore the pork belly. I use only the kasim, pork kasim, lean meat. Okay, and here I already cooked the rice for my workers, and here is the sweet potato for us, and that's okay. And now the onions. For cooking, salt is Thai noodles in the water in order for this to be tenderized and to absorb some water for this to be moistened. It's easier for us to mix up well with the veggies and the spices later. Okay, like that. At least 5 to 10 minutes soak before cooking. This is Thai noodles. I think this is rice noodles. Made of rice. Now that is boiling. Let's add this. I won't cut this pancit because I want it long for long life. Yan. Mga pamahiin. For long life. No cutting. Like that. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Lapit ng naluto. See that? See how beautiful is that? To add a distinct aroma, the sesame oil, just 3 tablespoons. Hindi naman siguro makapiright yung music na yan. Music ng washing machine, guys. Washing machine is singing. Saying, already done. Wow. Okay. And then just wait for a little. Just wait for 3 minutes and it's done. Okay. Wow, it's already done. The only lacking is the black pepper. Here you are. Black pepper. Huh? Wow. A little bit more. Maybe 2 minutes more. Okay. Enough. Okay. Yummy. Sarap, guys. Very colorful. Happy colors. See? Very lively colors of pancit we have here. Ang bango, guys, kung amoy nyo lang. Aywan. Sarap ng sesame oil. Bango. Okay. And big baname. You must wonder why I didn't, for us here at home, we love shrimps. Peeling off the shrimps. Peeling the shrimps while eating. Yan. Oh, sarap. Ito na, guys. Ito na. See? Ito na. Okay, guys. And here tasting this, I will show you how it tastes. Sarap ng ng pasta na ito. The noodles is very good. This Thai noodles. Al dente. Al dente, and then the sesame oil that I placed is very an additional flavor and aroma. Up.